Hi, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will understand about the nicotine consumption during the intermittent fasting. So, what is the side effect and what is the benefit? Let's begin to understand. Basically, the nicotine, especially, it is used for the anti-appetite. Basically, is the appetite suppressant. This is the drug, and it is the stimulant and stimulate the sympathetic nervous system, and rest and digest can be decreased for the initial, for the beginner, for the consumption of nicotine. But what is the nicotine? Nicotine can be consumed through a patches, or nicotine can be consumed through a smoking. But the smoking will increase the carcinogen, and during the intermittent fasting the carcinogen should be decreased. So the carcinogen and combating the immune cell through inflammation, because when you will smoke, the inflammation will increase. When inflammation will increase, the immune cell activation, and in this way the benefit of the intermittent fasting is not good too much. And that is why, on the other hand, the addictive compound nicotine, which that will lead to addiction, and in this way the nicotine resistance can be caused, because nicotine will be bind your brain cell, your nervous system will stimulate, and more adrenaline and sympathetic nervous system activation, and in this way more and more chain smoker will lead to nicotine resistance, and nicotine resistance will lead to cause problem. And that is why during the intermittent fasting you should relax and rest and digest, and should be sleep more for the burning of fat, because the insulin will drop and the growth hormone will be increased. When growth hormone will be increased, the insulin will drop, will lead to lipolysis will occur, which that is a long process. I have a video about the lipolysis during the intermittent fasting. You can learn about the lipolysis during the intermittent fasting from that video. So anyhow, on the other hand, the smoking, basically sometime, basically the smoking will damage your lungs. So your intermittent fasting is used for the recovery of your tissue and autophagy, as well as the remodeling of the tissue. So when you will smoke, your intermittent fasting benefit will be transmitted to your lungs, and your whole body will be decrease the beneficial effect of the intermittent fasting. So stop smoking. And on the other hand, if you want to get the nicotine, because if you are a addictive person, so you can consume through patches or other things, and easy to access the nicotine if you have craving. So what is the craving? The nicotine craving means the stimulation required again and again, because of when we will take nicotine one time, the reward will be pleasure, and that reward will again, you want to stimulate that reward, and this is why you will become addictive person and chain smoker. So in this way, I hope you make sense about that intermittent fasting and smoking. You should stop the smoking and do intermittent fasting to get more health benefit. Thanks for watching. I am also making the handwritten tutorial. If you want to search that, you can search from the from my channel, and a lot of videos through handwritten tutorial. And if you are a biomedical science a student or expert or professional, or a biomedical science expert, you can learn from that and give the comment below. So thanks for watching. Bye for this time.